You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Nollywood veteran actress Fausat Balogun, also known as Madam Saje, has joined the list of celebs bagging a new endorsement deal. She has been signed into Fabio's family estate as the brand ambassador. Madam Saje, who couldn't hold her joy, took to her Instagram page with a heart full of gratitude to God for the new deal signed. She likewise shared a video thanking her well-wishers.
My fans, friends, family and colleagues. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín gan o, mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n kí mi fún oríire àná. Oríire náà á bá gbogbo wa kalẹ̀. Gbogbo wa ni irú ẹ̀ máa tọ́ sí èyí tó jù yẹn lọ náà tó wọlé tẹnì kọ̀ọ̀kan wa. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín gan. Thank you very much. Abọ́ ọkọ mi, olówó orí mi, àjòkúdì ẹ̀ta ló fẹ́ jẹ tiẹ̀ láàyè. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín gan. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo àwọn fans mi. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn tó bá mi repost. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn tó kí mi, àwọn tó pè mí. Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́, ayọ̀ á máa bá wa kalẹ̀ lágbára Ọlọ́run láṣẹ Èdùmàrè mi ní wá gbogbo yín tí love you all.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, kindly comment and share. Thank you, Boya TV.